Hey, what's going on, fellas? Today I'm gonna break down this new jazz beat. If you guys want the sounds in this video, or if you guys want to cop any of my drum kits, check out our kit store. We're having a Black Friday sale, so everything's 50% off. Use code Friday. If you guys cop it, appreciate you. If you don't cop it, it's all good. Check out the kit store. We got a bunch of free stuff up there too. And join our Discord. We're having a beat battle November 24th. Make sure to be in our Discord. For first place, we're gonna give away a t-shirt and 2 kits of your choice and get into that beat battle. You know what I'm saying? Win some free stuff. Let's get into it. So I started with this piano from Triton. It's called the WGSE piano, and what I did is I just turned off the chorus and the reverb, and this is what the keys sound like. I literally just started with the root notes right here, counted 2 down, added this one, and then 1 more down, and got this one. And then I basically just did every second note, and then switched some of them around just to make like a better chord, you know what I'm saying? I just added these little in-between notes just to add extra bounce. Only effects I use is just a chorus right here, pretty slight, and then a little plate, which is just a reverb. And then what I did is I made another pattern with that same piano, and I just added these 2 notes right here. Slight little variation to the pattern, just a sauce up in between. And then I went into Triton again. I got this piano right here just to layer the original keys. Same pattern from before, just layered. I went into OBXD preset right here. Helen, why can't I did some changes to it. I can't remember exactly what I changed, but I just messed around with it. This is a free plugin, by the way, so definitely get this. So this is the pattern. I like how this preset kind of like pans left and right, so that's pretty cool. Then I took this and I just took these little end parts right here and I just bounced them out and I reversed it to get this little thing here, just to sauce up the melody. Then I went into OBXD again. I got this preset here, pinstripe fanfare. It's like the typical new jazz, kind of like that triplet bounce, you know what I'm saying? And I went into my drum kit that I just dropped. If you guys want to get it, links down below. Use code Friday for 50% off. Grab this one shot here. It's called Cut, and I just slided it. The final beat here looks kind of hectic. It's a bit overwhelming if you just look at it, but it's really simple. I just added like little variations where I just cut it and just switch the pattern a little bit. So this is the first 808 for my Met kit. Then I added this 808 here, door spring. Then I added this bass. I just glided it back to the root note. Then I added this hat pattern. I'll play with the 808 just so it's like less boring. What I did to make this more interesting is I just messed around with the velocities, which just added some extra bounce to it. For these kind of beats, I find that like you don't want to go OD on the hi-hats. You want to keep it pretty simple, but just make sure that like you're not adding it for no reason. You're adding it to add bounce or just like a little texture. Like, don't ever add things just because you feel like you have to add more. If somebody's trying to get on the beat and there's all these sounds and it's like super hectic, it makes it hard to rap on it because you just get caught off guard. And it's just a typical clap right here. Then I added this open hat, and this open hat is super sauce. Like, if you listen to it, the bounce is crazy. It sounds like a real like drum kit. Then I added this tom. It's like chime, this bubble, just, you know, extra texture. Then I added this snare right here, and this is from like the default FL kit. It's super fire. If you guys are ever looking for like real sounding sounds, FL literally hooks it up. If you go to packs right here and then go to drums, there's so many like cool drums in here. Shout out to Chaos, he put me up. That's that. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like, hit the sub, and join our Discord for the beat battle. I definitely want to see you guys in there. If you guys been looking to cop a kit, check out our kit store. We got a 50% sale. Use code Friday. Follow me on Instagram at proudmayze. Follow underdogs.oo. If you guys made it all the way to the end of the video, comment down below. Friday. It's Tuesday, but comment Friday because, you know what I'm saying? Thank God it's Friday. See you guys in the next one. Peace.